Google Sheets will interpret the dates from Excel differently, so we have to make some adjustments. Format the first column, and then we'll erase the original table. Delete the day, and add the year. Notice the year is 30, so click August 30. Okay, to enter the second cell, we'll have to use the paint format, which is like the format brush in Excel. When you type, it's still thinking that it came from Excel, so click on the format brush. So I'll delete the original table from Excel. Now select the table and insert chart. Now if it happens that sometimes something else will appear, all you have to do is go to this area, chart type, and change it to line. And then click on series, customize rather, and click on series. And we want to get some markers. So let's say 7, and see the points now appear. We also want to go to the axis, because you see that last marker there is hidden. So I want to increase my maximum value to, let's say, 20. So I can close this now, and there you have your data. Now you can change the title. And this one should be quarters. You can change it here, or you can change it there. This is the only part that's different from Excel. The rest are very similar.